Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong geometry problem coming from the 24th Regional Math Wizards. By the way guys, good luck dun sa mga kasali sa National Quiz Show at the same time dun sa National Math Wizard this coming November 24 to 26 ata sa SMX. And I hope makapunta ako mga Lodi Cakes into para makita ko kayo. Ayun, pero before natin sagutan to, shoutout muna kay Future Engineer Darius Tampos from Caraga State University, Cabadbaran Campus from Mindanao. And also shoutout kay Aljon Real na isa sa mga solid subscribers natin. Maraming salamat sa inyo Aljon and Darius sa patuloy ng suporta kay Sir IJ, and I hope you all the best. God, galingan nyo palagi mga Lodi Cakes. The right triangle has side lengths of 5, 12, and 13 units. Determine the maximum possible radius of a circle that can fit in the right triangle. So as far as we know, so we can first illustrate the given problem. So this is not drawn to scale. So assume na lang natin na perfect yung drawing natin. So we have a right triangle daw, and we have to find the radius of the maximum of the circle, the maximum possible radius of the circle that can fit into the right triangle. So normally kasi guys, kapag sa ganitong mga klase ng problem, dapat alam natin yung mga formula ng inscribe at saka circumscribe circle. So meron tayong dalawang formula guys. Kumbaga medyo refresher lang muna from Sir IJ. So let's say meron tayong inscribed circle. So ano ibig sabihin ng inscribed circle? From the word inside. So nasa loob yung circle natin. So paano natin kukunin yung radius niyan, Sir IJ? So ang radius nito is area of the triangle divided by the semi-perimeter of the triangle. S here stands for the semi-perimeter, that is A plus B plus C all over 2. How about the circumscribed circle, Sir IJ? Circumscribe. So from the word circumscribe, so nasa labas po siya. So arrow pala dapat o mga Lodi Cakes. So how do we find or how do we solve for the radius? So the radius of circumscribed circle, so nasa labas si circle, that is equal to ABC, the product of all the sides all over 4 multiplied by the area of the triangle. The area of the triangle can be obtained using the Heron's formula, or depende kung right triangle naman siya, so you can just use base times height divided by 2. So for this case, nasa loob si circle. So ito yung gagamitin natin. Tapos ang magandang condition kasi dito is, it is already a right triangle. So we have 5, 12, and 13. Obviously, the 13 here stands for the hypotenuse. 5 and 12 can be the base and the height, or vice versa. Pwede sila magkapalit. So solving for the area of the triangle, so that is just 1/2 base times height. So that is equal to 30, Sir IJ. Yes, that's right. 5 times 12 all over 2, that is 30. How do you find the semi-perimeter? Semi-perimeter is just half from the word semi, that is half of the perimeter. 1/2, 5 plus 12 plus 13. So adding this, we have 30 divided by 2, so 15. So solving for the radius of the circle na nasa loob, so that is area all over the semi-perimeter. So we have area natin is 30 divided by 15. So the final answer for the given problem is 2 units. However guys, kapag right triangle guys, meron tayong shortcut to find the radius. So kapag meron tayong right triangle, tapos nasa loob yung circle natin, so the shortcut solution is R of the circle inscribed in a right triangle, that is just A plus B minus C all over 2. So that is just the sum of the legs, 5 plus 12 minus the hypotenuse divided by 2. So this is equal to 4 divided by 2, so that is 2, which is the same as this one. So pwede naman yun guys, pero kung hindi naman siya right triangle, automatically you can use the refresher formula na binigay ni Sir IJ. And also guys pala, kapag sa circle naman yung nasa labas ng right triangle, automatically, the hypotenuse will be the diameter of the circle. Okay, so kung ibig sabihin pag nasa labas pala yung circle natin ng right triangle, ito na yung magiging diameter natin. So kalahati ng hypotenuse will be our radius. So no more computations kasi right triangle naman siya. If it's not a right triangle, then you can use the second formula. So if ever you have questions or clarifications, guys, huwag po kayo maya mag-comment sa comment section. Maraming salamat sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta sa channel natin. And I hope you all the best mga Lodi Cakes, future engineers, and galingin nyo palagi. God bless you always, and thank you so much.